Hi buddies, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share with you guys how to make easy steak fajitas. In case you guys are learning, I will make this delicious recipe. Just stay tuned and I'll show you how. This video is inspired by Cooking con Claudia. I will have her channel link or her actual video link to what inspired me to make this recipe in my description box below. Alright, the first step, we're going to start by cutting our bell peppers and onions to small strips. So as we have our vegetables cut, we're going to start working on our steak. We're going to cut it the same as we did with our vegetables, or somewhat the same kind of size. Put the raw steak in a gallon Ziploc bag. We're going to start working on our marinade. For our cilantro, just chop it up. Put your chopped cilantro, salt, cumin, oregano, chili powder, paprika, and garlic. Also going to add the 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and lime juice. The exact ingredients and how much to use of each ingredient is also in my description box below. Now we're going to fix it, and this is our marinade. Or we're going to mix it, sorry. You don't have to refrigerate or do none of that. We're just going to let it marinate while we are cooking our vegetables. Or you can do what I did, and I just put it in the refrigerator until I got back home with the kids from getting them from school. So on medium-high heat, we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and we're going to wait for that to heat up so we can add our vegetables. Alright, so when the oil is hot, we're going to add our bell peppers and onions, sprinkle with garlic salt and black pepper. So now we're going to cook them for about 8 to 10 minutes until we see our bell peppers and onions are nice and soft. We're going to remove them from our pan and set them to the side so we can cook our steak. And we're going to add a little bit more oil to the pan we already used. Then we're going to add our steak now. We're going to cook our steak for about 8 to 11 minutes, just until it's no longer pink. Then after our steak is cooked, we're going to combine our vegetables and our steak together. After a minute, our steak should be done soon as you don't see any pink. That's basically it for our steak fajitas. They smell delicious. Alrighty guys, so your fajitas are ready, and I like to serve them with a side of rice, also some sour cream, and of course tortillas. It's full of flavor, and the best part, it's less than 30 minutes. You can have super easy and delicious fajitas. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. In the comments below, let me know what's your favorite type of fajita. Please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you buddies on my next video. Bye.